got this view every morning. It's not too bad. Here I bet another one's gonna hit right now.
No, because he has that fish, that one. I don't have a worm.
But worms are good.
How is it?
I got small bites on the worm.
He's saying to reel it in right away.
Oh, no. It all depends what you want to do. You can move it.
I just want to, because it's always moving. It's just moving. I'm just going to keep it there.
Yeah, you can just move it up, jerk it a little. Give it a little jerksy. Now you want to hit this side. Well, actually, you don't want to hit anything right now, probably. Okay. I'll wait till it gets a little calmer. Not in the winter. This is a class 1 rapid. Just don't lose the fishing pole. can see it looks like it's snowing, but it's just dandelions. There's a smallie. Smallmouth.
Oh my god! Oh wow. Oh no. You want to use a bag, like a plastic bag?
No, hold on. I got it. I got it.
That's a big.
Oh my god.
That's a good one. That's dinner, man. We could save him.
No, not dinner.
What's his name? Bobby. Bobby Bass.
Okay. There we go.
Bobby Bass. Yay! Get it. Oh my god.
It's the-
Oh my god.
It's a really big smallie.
No. Oh. Oh. Oh, look. Look. Daddy, come here.
Here, bring him over.
No, you did break.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
Oh,
No.
it did. Oh, he broke the pole.
No way.
No. It went. No, he didn't break it.
Yeah, he did.
No, he did.
The plastic snap.
Oh,
Take a picture.
oh my god, we gotta get a picture of this one. That is huge.
I gotta get the hooks out.
Oh my god,
yeah,
where's your camera? I could take pictures.
Oh, you can't even see it.
Oh no, I broke this.
It's alright.
It's worth it though, look at this guy.
Oh my god. Don't touch it. I should.
Ew.
Don't drop that.
Okay. Here.
Alright, let that go, honey.
Yeah.
Don't let it go on the thing. Oh. Can
Oh,
we
he's
get a picture?
pooping.
Get a picture.
Oh, is that
I can alright, do it with that. Mac with
GoPro? Start. Oh, it is recording. I think.
Where's your camera
Yes.
though? I'll take
Look
it.
at that. The biggest one.
Can you grab the camera?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's so hard to reel in.
Where's Max with it?